Hi guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we'll be reviewing LG Top Load Automatic Washing Machine. The following are its main features: 7.5 kg capacity, smart inverter which helps you save electricity up to 36% compared to LG conventional. Aside from the main pulsator, it has 3 mini pulsators that creates powerful streams of water. Buttons. Air dry is to set the duration for air drying of your laundry. It has 3 options: 120, 90, or 60 minutes. Beeper is to operate the volume of alarm signal sound. Water button is to manually select the amount of water. When using this, you should select the proper amount of water in relation to the weight and type of laundry. Wash, rinse, and spin button is used when it's time needed to be adjusted. Delay start button is used to set a delayed finishing time, but you can cancel it by simply turning its power off. Program button is used to select an automatic wash program instead of manually adjusting the water amount and the time for wash, rinse, and spin. It allows you to select 8 various programs for different kinds of laundry and dirtiness. The following programs are normal, wool, duvet, school care, pre-wash plus normal, quick wash, extra clean, and tub clean. Start pause button is used to start or pause the washing process. Power button is to turn its power on and off. And to help you save energy, it automatically goes off about 10 seconds after the wash is finished. Additional functions. Child lock function is used to lock or unlock the control to prevent setting from being changed by a child. To lock, simply push the rinse and spin button simultaneously, then repeat to unlock. Smart diagnosis is a troubleshooting feature to assist you efficiently. Just place your phone to smart diagnosis display while the data is being transmitted. The time remaining for transmission will be displayed on screen. When completed, listen to the diagnosis result from the consultant and the power will automatically turned off with end display after a few seconds. Now let's see what's inside. Upon opening, there you'll see a manual, quick reference guide, and an installation instruction. Also included is a rat cover, water inlet hose and drain hose pipe. You must have a faucet that is compatible to the hose so that there won't be any leakages. Here goes some pictures on how you can easily install it, so you won't have a hard time unlike us. Now going back. This is where you are going to put your liquid or powdered detergent. This is also where the water dispenses. And here's the fabric conditioner dispenser. You may put the Fabcon in there immediately, but it will dispense it on the last rinse. And this one is the filter that collects lints, etc. You also need to clean the filter sometime by simply removing it. Oh, I almost forgot, there is also a bleach dispenser, but you should be careful using it to not damage your clothes. Use ample amount. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, share and subscribe.